Establishing your financial goals is one of the critical steps in building the foundation to wealth creation. With the new year coming into fruition soon, 2020 will provide a great start to working on your financial goals for the new year as well as the new decade that is upon us. Through careful planning and execution of your financial goals, you can start your path toward creating massive wealth for yourself. In this video, I'll discuss the different tips and techniques you can implement to work on your financial goals for 2020 to start building wealth with consistency and success. Get ready. You are now entering the Academy. The first financial goal you should have for 2020 is to keep track of your expenses and allocate a daily or monthly budget for all your expenses. The idea here is to systematically categorize all your expenses to not only add accountability to your expenses, but also be able to eliminate any frivolous spending. You want to root out all nice-to-haves and luxurious expenses and focus in on critical expenses or necessities one needs to live day to day, such as rent, food, transportation, insurance, etc. So list down all your expenses, categorize them into different columns such as necessities, nice-to-haves, and luxurious items, then start eliminating expenses which you can do without. Establishing a monthly budget will also help eliminate unnecessary expenses. Only budget necessary critical expenses such as rent, electricity, food, insurance, etc., and rule everything else out. Anything left over should be placed into a savings account to build an emergency fund. This is critical in managing your money, so if an emergency comes up, you're able to tap into this bucket and pull the necessary funds to cover for these unexpected expenses. The second financial goal for 2020 should be to pay down debt. If you're in debt, the debt is costing you money. Usually there's an interest associated with debt, and with the compounding effect, you may be only paying off the interest in your monthly statements and not even eliminating the principal on your debt. And with raising interest rates, you can eventually end up in even more debt. And not only that, but paying down debt can actually result in the biggest return on your investment you can get anywhere. If you have a 20% interest credit card debt, paying that off is effectively netting you 20% return on your money. You're not going to get a 20% ROI in a risk-free investment. That's why it's best to pay down debt as quickly as humanly possible. It just makes sense and provides one of the best returns on your money, period. The next financial goal for 2020 is to start an IRA. This could be a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA depending on your yearly income. A traditional IRA is tax deferred. You don't pay taxes on the money that you contribute to an IRA, but pay taxes when the money is withdrawn during your retirement. A Roth IRA gives the added advantage that you pay tax on the money up front. The money is invested into the retirement account after taxes have been paid on it. Once you withdraw those funds during retirement, however, the money is tax-free. There is an income maximum to be eligible to contribute to a Roth IRA, however. For 2020, the adjusted gross income or AGI maximum is $139,000. So if you make more than $139,000, you're not eligible to contribute to a Roth IRA. But traditional and Roth IRAs have maximum contribution limits of $6,000 per year as of 2020. So start contributing to a Roth or a traditional IRA now. The fourth financial goal is to invest in yourself. Successful people invest time, energy, and money in improving themselves. The best way you can help people in need is to not be someone in need. Help yourself out so that you're in a position to help someone else out. This means investing in yourself to become great at something. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Also learn how to make more income by investing in programs and books that will help you to quickly earn more income. Whether that is learning a new skill or reinvesting back into your business. This could be the biggest investment you can make to reaching the next level of success. So invest in self-education and learn how to earn more income. Your next financial goal should be to pay yourself first. Save at least 1 hour a day of your income, that's about 12.5% of your gross income, and save it automatically. And don't ever carry bad debt like a credit card balance or a car loan. Drive a car off a lot and it goes down in value 30%. If you're buying real estate, that's different. You borrow money to buy assets that go up, not down. And don't be afraid to use that money that you save to invest in yourself. As I mentioned in the previous goal, investing in yourself could be the best investment you can make by far. Another big goal to have for 2020 is to invest in a simplified portfolio via index funds. Index funds are a great vehicle to invest in for the long term. There is risk associated with investing in index funds, as these funds are susceptible to market downturns, economic cycles, and other factors that may affect the stock market. Outside of real estate, which requires more principal to invest with, there is no doubt that return on investment that can be achieved from index funds is by far superior than any other type of investment that can be made with minimal principal. Just make sure that the investment is for the long term, at least 10 years if not greater. If you'd like to learn more about investing in index funds that provide a guaranteed 6 to 10% return on your investment, please check out my video titled 3 Investments to Own for Life Minimalist Investing 101. A great way to start investing in index funds is via a free stock trading app called Webull. Check out the link in the description to get started in investing in index funds for your early retirement goals. And if you open an account now, you will get 2 free stocks that can be valued at more than $1,000. So make investing part of your financial goals for 2020. Finally, for 2020, do what you love. You already have enough experience to know what you like doing, so you're in the perfect position to try to channel that passion into a business idea. You now have the time to pour your focus into your startup, and if you're having fun and enjoying yourself, it won't feel as much as you've gone back to work. 2020 is a great time to start working on your financial goals. Starting with the new decade, employing the financial strategies mentioned in this video, which include tracking your expenses and creating a budget, paying down your debt, starting your IRA, investing in yourself, paying yourself first, investing in index funds, and doing what you love, you can begin to build the necessary foundation to creating income flows that will grow over time and continue to increase significantly as you gain momentum past 2020 and beyond. Through careful planning and diligent investment of capital, as well as smart money management and reinvestment of profits into oneself or business, one can create income streams that can provide substantial income, eventually surpassing the millionaire status and beyond. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to smash the like button. It will really help out the channel as well as the YouTube algorithm and bring you more wealth creation strategy videos. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to the 10X Academy. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be alerted on more passive income strategy videos. This is the 10X Academy.